Hi everyone, with Ideogram you can write and you can prompt and have amazing pictures. And now you have an update, so it has become even better. Let's check it out. Have a look at the gallery, get inspired. You can even copy the prompt, choose remix and just do it. You can also choose to write your own prompt. And you can choose the ratio, you can choose the style. Have a look at these features, unuse them, and just play around with it because you're going to have so much fun. It's getting so much better at writing, and I tested it and loved it. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button because I want to keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.